Hey guys, welcome back to Pentest Tools. It has been a long time since we uploaded, but now we are back. In this video, we will show you how to install Docker on Ubuntu. Docker is a set of platform-as-a-service products that uses OS-level virtualization to deliver software and packages called containers. Containers are isolated from one another and bundle their own software, libraries and configuration files. They can communicate with each other through well-defined channels. There are some installation methods. Most users set up Docker's repositories and install from them, for ease of installation and upgrade tasks. This is the recommended approach. And this is what we are doing today. I wrote a simple bash script to automate this process, to save us some time. The link will be in the description below. First, let's download the script. Then, we will add the execution permissions using chmod. Then, we will run the script by putting / before the script name. We have to run it as root. Then, set up the repository by installing some required packages, adding Docker's official GPG key, verifying that you now have a key with a fingerprint, then installing Docker Engine. After the installation is complete, try creating a container.